Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to cook cabbage in a crock pot. First, let's talk about preparation. Select a fresh, medium-sized head of green cabbage, weighing approximately 2 to 3 pounds. Carefully remove any tough outer leaves and then core the cabbage. Once cored, slice the cabbage into nice, even wedges. You might also want to prepare about 1 pound of smoked sausage or bacon to add a delicious, savory element to your dish. Now, let's get cooking. Begin by layering the prepared cabbage wedges evenly at the bottom of your slow cooker. Next, pour in about 1 cup of chicken broth, which will create a flavorful liquid base. Add 1/2 cup of chopped onion and your preferred seasonings, such as salt and black pepper. Set your crock pot to cook on low for 4 to 6 hours, or if you are in a hurry, on high for 2 to 3 hours, until the cabbage is perfectly tender. To elevate the flavor of your crock pot cabbage, consider some delightful additions. A 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika can introduce a wonderful depth and richness. For a bright, tangy kick, a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar works wonders. If you enjoy a touch of sweetness and extra color, try adding about 1/2 cup of diced carrots. For a richer, creamier finish, stir in 2 tablespoons of butter during the final hour of cooking. Once your cabbage is perfectly cooked and tender, it's time to serve. This versatile dish can be enjoyed hot as a comforting side or even a light main course. For a lovely presentation, garnish with some fresh chopped parsley or a simple sprinkle of freshly ground black pepper. It pairs wonderfully with classic cornbread or complements a variety of roasted meats. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.